What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light assembly on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. To pull the fog light out, just take a straight blade screwdriver or a pry tool. Be careful of the paint, you might want to put a rag there or something. Just pry out here, and then we're gonna slide it this way. What you want to do is pry behind here. There's a little retainer, it goes right there. Disconnect the connector, just push down. And if it sticks a little bit, just use the screwdriver, use the straight blade screwdriver. Slide the connector off. There's the fog light. Here's the old one. Here's the new one from 1AAuto.com. The lens is the same shape, has the same mounting locations, has the same position for the light bulb. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. I'm going to take the old bulb out of the fog light. If you want to replace the bulb, it is a HB4 bulb. Then we'll transfer it over to the new fog light. Line up the tabs and turn it to the right. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Then slide these two tabs in over here. And then line the pin up on this side. When it's lined up, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.